Remove the seat cushion. Align the holes on the rear rack with the reserved holes on the bicycle. Tighten the screws. Adjust the position of the rack and find the front holes. Then tighten the screws. Then tighten the screws. The rear rack is now installed. Take out the front rack. And tighten the screws. Align the basket with the 4 reserved holes on the front rack. Insert the washers onto the screws for installation. Finally, reinstall the seat cushion. The installation is complete.